considered doing the class on my own, and I'm so glad I didn't, because there's so much information that comes from this hands-on teaching that you do here in the class that makes it well worth the money to do it. I enjoyed it great. Thank you for letting me participate.
All the questions I would have to ask, he would answer them clearly, and if he couldn't really answer it right there and then, he'll show me like examples in order for me to understand it better and help me. You know, we're at an airport. This is my first time actually coming out to this airport, which is really nice, different atmosphere.
I absolutely love the class. I think it was very helpful. I was a little bit like this morning, I was a little nervous. I did not know what to expect, so I really liked the class. I enjoyed it, and I learned a lot from it. The instructor, he was awesome. I really liked him, and I would recommend him, for sure.
What I like about the class is that not only did we cover a lot of the information for passing the test, there was a lot of practical examples being used in the class, and it made the class not only informative but fun.
Very good. It's very informative. I believe I've learned a lot, and it does encourage me to go buy a drone. It was amazing. It was my first time flying, so I think this was an amazing experience. Surprisingly, with this particular drone, it was very easy. Definitely. I'll be buying one soon.
It was an 8-hour course. It was very fast-paced, but it was easy to follow. It was logical, very interactive. I encourage anyone who's interested in drones and they have ideas for drone businesses, I encourage you to come take this course.
So I think drones is the way of the future. This class has given us the first look at that world, and looking forward to taking the test and becoming a drone pilot. Thank you.
Y me fascina, creo que fue la mejor decisión que tomé en este día. El profesor excelente, practiqué mi inglés y también me di cuenta de que aunque es difícil, creo que la voy a pasar.
The course was really entertaining. It was, you know, fast-paced. The instructors are really nice. You know, they're very knowledgeable. They're fun. They're friendly also. And here the place is very nice also. The facilities are really well. So I would recommend to other people or friends to come here. I wish I had a little more time to let them know.
No, the class is very informative. Enjoyed it a lot. It was a long day, but there was a lot of information given. And we can have it any other way, so I really appreciate it.
I definitely recommend it to anyone who's interested in flying a drone, even if it's for recreational purposes or for business purposes. I definitely recommend taking the drone training school in the USA. It's highly recommended by me, and I feel that it'll be a good fit for you.
I found the class very informative, a lot of information, made it fun. I recommend it to anybody. I'm probably going to get my son in here and do it too.
I enjoyed it. It was very informational. It was a good class. The instructor was great, and I think I'm ready for success.
Yes, definitely I recommend it. It's very instructional. The teacher was very accurate on the point, helping us to understand a very complex world, which is the airspace, but it's very important to have it to understand that information and to really easier to pass the test. So I really like it. I recommend it.
Thanks to this class and the training, the instruction I've received here, I'm a lot more confident and I feel more prepared to take the test. Very relaxed environment, informative, logical progression of information. Easy to ask questions and have them responded, answered.